Are you tired of mindless scrolling, constant distractions, and feeling drained by social media? It's time to take back control of your mind, your time, and your focus. This isn't just a break. It's a reset. Stay with me as I guide you through a powerful social media detox that will help you regain clarity, boost productivity, and reconnect with real life. Step 1. Set clear intentions before starting a social media detox. Understand why you want to take a break. Whether it's to reduce stress, improve mental clarity, or enhance productivity, having a clear goal will keep you motivated throughout the process. Step 2. Establish screen-free hours. Create designated time slots during the day when you stay completely offline. Avoid checking your phone right after waking up and before sleeping. Instead, engage in activities like reading, journaling, or meditation. Step 3. Remove temptations. Uninstall unnecessary social media apps or use features that limit screen time. If needed, temporarily disable notifications to break the habit of constant checking. Step 4. Engage in productive activities. Replace social media time with activities that contribute to your well-being. Exercise, practice mindfulness, spend time in nature, or learn a new skill. These habits help shift your focus from digital distractions to personal growth. Step 5. Connect with real life. Prioritize face-to-face interactions with friends and family. Building deeper connections in the real world enhances emotional health and reduces feelings of loneliness caused by excessive online engagement. Step 6. Reflect and maintain balance. At the end of the detox, evaluate how you feel. Notice improvements in focus, mental clarity, and overall mood. Going forward, establish a healthy relationship with social media by setting time limits and being mindful of your usage. Your time is priceless. Don't let social media steal it. Step away, reset, and reclaim your focus. Life is happening beyond the screen. Go live it. If this helped, drop a comment and start your detox today. Your mind deserves the break.